Got a little 1 mile delivery right here at Five Guys Burgers and Fries. I know it better not be no flies up in that joint. That one I will take. I'll take that. And look at this. Look at all this surge. I'm literally sitting in the middle of the surge and I couldn't get an order to save my life. This is how Uber Eats do me. This is how they do me. All this money around me and I can't even get an order. It's a $8.75 plus on my next trip. I'm sitting right in the surge and I can't even get a trip. Look at her. We got surge down there, surge all downtown. I'm in the biggest surge and they ain't sending Nathan. So when you on Uber Eats and you see it surging like this is the time where you want to go online and start accepting orders. As you can see, it's pretty much red everywhere. All over in Baldwin, Ellisville, Grover, Glencoe, Chesterfield, Weldon Springs. It doesn't matter. The whole map is lit up.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is when you can make the money with Uber Eats right here. Now, what I like to do is, if we go ahead and look over in my area, I like to look at the downtown area first, see what's going on. Maybe they got some events going on. You see it's nice red surge over there. Then you slide over to downtown. It's always people looking for rides downtown, no matter what time of day. But with the increased demand, you see they even got surge down there. Even the north side right there got a little bit of surge. But right here, you can see up in Jennings, up in Ferguson, even everything in North County got slight surge and you can still make some extra money out there. Now, what I like to do is I like to go ahead and find me somewhere nice to post up, get me a trip with some surge heading into another area that also has surge. That way, no matter what, I'm gonna be getting extra on all the trips that I accept coming out of this area. Now, as you see right here, look at that. Everything over here is lit up. You can make all the money right now. And let's just say this surge lasts for 2 or 3 hours. Well, that's going to be extra earnings on top of everything that you make during that time. And hopefully the customers is putting tips on them orders and you can go ahead and make your daily goal within a couple hours right here. You look, got $11 surge, $8.50, $10 surge, surge on top of surge. For the Doordash dinner shift, turn my app on, very first order, $6.75, 12.2 miles at Chick-fil-A. That chicken is going to be cold when it make it to that customer. And I do not feel sorry for them. First of all, why is you ordering Chick-fil-A from 12 miles away? That's in like 3 towns over. It makes no sense. It's got to be somewhere you can be ordering chicken from. We're going to go ahead and decline that one down to 42%. Welcome back to the channel, guys. On this channel, we show you how to make money using the DoorDash app and how to not be a sucker and fall for their manipulation tactics. They've been doing a DoorDash delivery streak bonus and it's pretty much a scam because they've already taken away $2 base pay on stacked orders. We need to be aware of things that's going on in the gig economy so that we can make the most of our time when we out there doing this food delivery. Look at this next order. $3.75, 4.2 miles at Chick-fil-A. That's actually backwards. That's a backwards order. It's more mileage than it's paying out. This is a really bad order. There's probably no tip on there. We're not going to be taking that today. No, sir. Go ahead and decline that. And it says I'm going to stay at 42%. So declining that didn't take me down none. But either way, it doesn't matter. My goal is to get above 50%, but I'm not going to be able to get there if they're sending me orders like that. That's for sure. Up $9.75. 12.6 miles at Chipotle. That's just absolutely crazy right there. Who's driving Chipotle 12 miles away? If you are, just go ahead and log off the app, man, please. Just please do everybody a favor and go ahead and log off. Nobody is making money when we got dashers out here willing to take these ridiculous orders, going for delivery streaks or, you know, top dasher. It's just horrible. I'm gonna let that one just go ahead time out. Looks like we're finna be heading to Buffalo Wild Wings. We got $6 for 4 miles, but I'm 2 miles away from Buffalo Wild Wings, so this is really like $6 for 2 miles. And man, if they send me a stack, it better be super good, because I know that even if it says +6, that means it's all tip. That's all tip. So I cannot accept anything that say +4, +5. You gotta say at least +6. So we just made it here. Haven't got an add-on yet, which I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. See if they got this one ready. It's not even a big order either. Had it ready, but they seem like they might have lost it or something. We got it. Hopping back in the car right now. Let's go ahead and throw that in the good old hot bag. We good to go. Let's get this $1 for 5 miles on this one. Heading in the bread co. Got this one as soon as I dropped that last one off too. They had it ready. That's 423. God damn, where's 420? You know what 420? Which one it is? I hate coming to this college campus. Gotta walk up and find the right building. Gotta park all far away. I don't think this order gonna have any hidden tips on it either. It's probably just gonna be that $8.25. Tell you what though, once I find this door, I'm dropping it off right there. This is crazy. Where is 420? That's 421. That's 424. 425. That's crazy. That's 22. That's 25. That's crazy. Where is 420? That's 31. That's crazy. It ain't even, 420 don't even exist. That's crazy. 420 does not even exist. This is why I hate coming to the college campus right here. I'm over here, I'm looking for number 420, and it don't even exist. There's no 420. Where am I? This is ridiculous. This is absolutely ridiculous right here. I'm about to drop this mug off right here. See, this is why I don't like coming to the college campus right here. This is exactly why. Yep, drop this mug off right here. I know I better not get a violation either, because I'm not about to waste a whole bunch of time looking for the right. No, I'm over here, and that literally the last building is 421, but I'm looking for 420. And guess what? It's going to 421 today. All right, guys, we got our next order. No, you go ahead. We got our next order. $8, 4 miles, right here at this Wendy's, right here. We about to head on up in there. Now, this Wendy's is notoriously slow. Every single time I've been here in the past, I think I've been here like 4 times. Every single time, guys, they've been slow as that one thing. Let's see how they jamming today. See if they got it together. See, they got the mobile pickup window right there, nothing in there. Let's see. Who is this order for? All right, look at that. They never have orders in this thing, ever. I ain't never ever even seen an order been placed in that thing at all. Oh, Lord. And we got 6 minutes on this order, so they probably definitely don't got this ready. This is crazy. Dropping off this Wendy's order. I think it might have been a drink that came with this. I'm not sure, but this is what they gave me, so this is what they getting. Boom. $8 for 4 miles. Let's see if it go up. Nope, $8 stays $8. We picked up a little Grubhub order. $11 for 5 miles. This one came in at Applebee's, and Applebee's is right next to Walmart. I was up there picking up a Walmart Spark order. Walmart Spark order's paying $25 for, what was that, 7 miles? Had to hop on that. So now we finna go drop off these 2 Spark orders. And I needed something to keep my wheels rolling because DoorDash was slowing up. They wasn't sending me no offers. You know, they was playing their little games. But you know what? I can play games too. I'm a multi-apper, so I went on and did just that. And this order super far away, and they got a whole bunch of stuff on it. Look at this, lots of items. Let's go ahead and get this one dropped off. We almost at the 2.5 hour mark, so I'm gonna hear it. Get the drop off number 2. Go ahead and get it scanned in. There we go. Got it scanned in. We good to go. We are at the 2.5 hour mark. This one's paying $25. We did an $11 Grubhub, and we made $22 on DoorDash. So I believe that brings us to, hold on, let's get this dropped off. And we got a couple more. All in all, it wasn't a super bad order. Dash order, well really I shouldn't say my next one, because ain't no way I'm taking this. We got $12.50 for 13.9 miles at Penn Station, and guess what? It's gonna stay right there. They got me messed up. They're going 4 miles right over here at 54th Street. This one came in on Grubhub. So you know what? I'm gonna head over to 54th. We're gonna grab that one. And in the meantime, I'm gonna keep on looking at these Walmart Spark orders, see if they give me a nice little shopping deliver, keep my wheels rolling, and get me close to that $100 goal. I think as of right now, we sitting at, if I'm not mistaken, about 57 bucks or maybe close to 60 bucks. So we're gonna knock out this next $9 order. That'll put us over the top. I'm not sure exactly, but if I had to estimate, it's somewhere between 60 and when I'm working and I'm getting orders that meet my parameters, I try to just keep it moving. You know, I sit and I calculate everything up once I get to a point where I can do that. But if the orders are coming in and I'm rolling, I'm got a little 1 mile delivery right here at Five Guys Burgers and Fries. I know it better not be no flies up in that joint. That one I will take. I'll take that. Add-on season, baby. We got an additional $6.50 for 2.4. I can take that. I like that. And it's at Five Guys. So we got 2 pickups at Five Guys. We jamming. One for $4 going 1 mile, and we got another for $6.50 going an additional 2.4 miles. So I think it's like 3 miles total distance on that order. But that's cool though. I can rock with that. What are you doing? You should have been waiting. Don't be taking all day, then try to go when I'm going. No, now you're gonna wait. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for watching the videos, engaging with the videos. If you enjoyed that video, some of these other videos, you might enjoy them. Until then, I'll catch you in the next one.